Hey everyone, I'm Akshay.
And I'm Ishika, and together we've started a podcast.
Welcome to our labor of love, the Think About Wildlife, a podcast that came together after 3 years of brainstorming and a year of producing. On the Think About Wildlife, we have meaningful conversations with people working in wildlife conservation and ecology, a conservation that we're sure you'd love to eavesdrop on. We aim to draw out insights from our guests, often deeply personal, even if it's long winded, but not terse factoids about wildlife. We wanted to have a conversation about things that you won't find in textbooks or things that can't be taught in a classroom.
We are hoping you, our listeners, find that this podcast tells you a bit more about what it's like to live life as an ecologist or conservationist. We wanted to bring to you the stories behind our guest science to lead you through this world without graphs or complicated statistics. Personal journeys are so rarely represented in academia, and there is much myth and romanticism busting that we intend to do.
So stay tuned and listen on. Brew a nice cup of coffee and pull up a chair, or maybe speed up the podcast and listen to it while you wash your vessels. Either way, we hope our guest thoughts can shorten your learning curve in this field, help empathize better with others, and hopefully equip you with both renewed motivation and perspective to navigate the world of wildlife.
Through season 1, we'll be here with a new guest every week talking about plants and otters and elephants and monkeys and people and spiders and so much more. Intriguing issues have emerged from our conversations with our multiple guests, from people's early motivations and sense of place to what it's really like working in the field. We discuss sexism, harassment, mental health, mentorship, education, and of course, we talk about our collective love of animals, spaces, and landscapes. Perhaps, like us, you'll find yourself swooped away by the strife and wonders of the wilderness.